Alright, can you tell me why this video here of this gorilla cutting a hole, why is he wearing a turban?
Fuckers, I'm tired of going into the truck stop, so I'm making a bathroom in the Turban Suburban.
What does that mean?
No.
Alright.
Fuckers, I'm tired of going into the truck stop.
What am I allowed to laugh at there? I want to laugh at a bunch of things. I'm secretly laughing inside. I just
Making a bathroom in the Turban Suburban. No.
I think they're crossing a whole lot of stereotypes there. A whole lot of, and the AI made this.
Fuckers, I'm tired of going into the
I make AI won't say a bad word. It won't even show a middle finger. Look at this guy did.
truck stop, so I'm making a bathroom.
It's like a whole bunch of racist jokes all in one. It's probably done by a trucker too. It's probably one of us. Which one of you did this to us? Oh, which one of you did this to us? All right, if you know who it is, let us know in the comments.